In a universe filled with countless stars and galaxies, a question arises that transcends the boundaries of our planet. Are we alone? Astrobiology, the captivating science of exploring life beyond Earth, embarks on an awe-inspiring journey. From the search for microbial life on Mars to the icy oceans of Europa, astrobiologists are the modern-day explorers, probing the cosmos for life's secrets. They study extreme environments on Earth, like hydrothermal vents and acidic lakes, to unlock the potential for life elsewhere. Cutting-edge technology takes us to distant exoplanets, where the hunt for habitable zones intensifies. Imagine the moment we discover that we are not alone, that life exists elsewhere, perhaps even intelligent life. It would forever reshape our understanding of the universe. Astrobiology ignites our curiosity, fuels our imagination, and unites us in the quest to answer the most profound question: what lies beyond our blue planet? Astrobiology, where science meets the boundless wonders of the cosmos and where the search for life in the universe becomes a mesmerizing odyssey.